Hi there, this is Matt with Grand Ventures. We're here with the family, and today we're in Leavenworth, Washington, which is kind of central/eastern Washington. It's a little beautiful alpine village that's kind of German themed, but we're here at Leavenworth Adventure Park. See the sign up there? Now what's cool about here, this is an Alpine Coaster. This thing's only been going for a couple years. We've never seen it before, and we're gonna ride it today, give you a POV, and we hope you join us on this adventure. So this is the first time we've ever been to this adventure park, and it's really close to downtown Leavenworth. Downtown is probably about less than 5-minute drive from that way. But look at this place. There's the Alpine Coaster, as you can see. You may be able to see someone going down it right now. And we're gonna ride this. Now they have some other things as well we'll show you. I think they have rock climbing and some other activities. Not everything is open year-round. It's the end of November, actually the day after Thanksgiving today, as we record this. Now this is not just the Alpine Coaster, this is a whole adventure park, and they have no dogs except service animals, no personal food or beverage, smoking, vaping. It needs to be family friendly, no firearms, and no running. Dang it, I was gonna run today. And as you can see here, now they do recommend getting tickets ahead of time. We bought ours online, and today it is sold out. You do have to pick a time slot, and it's open from 11 till 7. And I think for adults, which included all of us minus Evie, it was about 20 bucks a person, and hers was discounted somewhat. And out here kind of in the area, they do have like some tables, fire tables, and some heaters where you can kind of sit out. And this is also kind of the park area. Got some more seating. You got a view of the Alpine Coaster up there. And this is a climbing wall. It's called the Alpine Ascent Climber, and that's a cool climbing wall. It is closed during the winter time, so you have to come back during the summer, but Leavenworth is also really beautiful in the summer. They have a lot of flowers and stuff. If you ever get a chance to come out to Leavenworth, it's beautiful. Look at the backdrop. You got the beautiful mountains covered in snow. There's not really any snow on the ground right now. We've been out here in years past where this place can get a ton of snow. But what's really nice too is all the downtown buildings, they are, you know, kind of Bavarian themed. Even if you can see that 76 sign off there in the distance, even the gas stations are themed. And here's a view. It's maybe difficult to see, but there's a big ramp that brings you up there. I guess you do, we were watching some videos, you do control the speed. There's kind of some handles on there. There are weight restrictions on it. There can be 2 people per ride, so I think it's like 330 pounds combined, so keep that in mind. But yeah, looks like a lot of fun. So we are getting ready to ride the Alpine Coaster. Is anybody here excited at all?
Not at all.
Not at all? Are you excited, Holden? What do you think of it after seeing it so far?
It looks pretty cool. I'm excited.
Everly, are you excited to ride the Alpine Coaster? Yeah. Now she was concerned with drops, but it doesn't look like there's any sort of drops. It's more of kind of a winding down.
Yeah, it looks like you kind of, and you get to control your own speed, which is nice.
And they do have fire tables, like I said, out here, so you can stay nice and toasty warm while we're waiting. They recommend to be here about 15 minutes before your call time. That way you can check in and sign a waiver. So we're getting close to that, and I'm super excited. And Everly definitely is an adventure seeker. How fast do you want to go?
Very fast.
Very fast? She was saying that she wants...
Hey Dad, can you slow down on the little drops because we might get too bumpy?
Okay, we will slow down on the little drops. We don't want to go too crazy, okay?
Yeah, like on the drops, if we go down, it will go very fast and we might get yeeted off.
No, we don't want to get yeeted off. So I will slow down on the turns, okay? Okay, I want to show you this area. It says adventure begins here. Let's check out what's inside. So looks like they do have some food items. It kind of shows you, this is called the Tumwater Twister Alpine Coaster. So just prices, 20 for a single rider, 36 for 2 rides. Youth 7 to 12 is 17 for single, 30 for 2. Child 3 to 6, which EV6 was $5, 10 for 2 rides. And they do have some merchandise, some shirts and hats, some mugs. And then Looks like you can buy some stuff over there. They have some beer and seltzer, coffee, tea, some sweets, some popcorn. So they do have some snackage down there at the end. But this place has a cool vibe. But they said today is sold out, so we pre-bought our tickets, which was a smart move. And apparently you got to sign a waiver before riding it. I guess everybody else has, and so I got to sign mine here. So we're gonna go up here and just show the staging area. We're not quite ready to go yet, but we'll show you. So here's kind of the staging area before you actually get on. As you can see, they kind of push you. And then it takes you up. Goes up there pretty far though. Being pulled up there by some crazy looking big wheels. And we made it up to the top floor. This is kind of the post area, if you will. And looks like they do have more snacks and gear. Root beer floats and drinks and beer and hot chocolate. This is kind of the, as you come back, this is a view from up top. Yeah, it looks like you end up here. Which is really cool. And it's nice and warm up here. And I think they might take pictures of you. You can kind of, yeah, they do take some pictures, which you can probably purchase afterwards, which is cool. Okay, we checked out the upstairs where you end up in kind of the food area. But now we are getting ready to go. We're all gonna ride. I'm super excited. I've never done an Alpine coaster. I've done a lot of different type of roller coasters, but never done an Alpine coaster. So maybe it'd be the closest thing I'll get to being on a Jamaican bobsled team. We'll see. Woohoo! Hi guys. Was that fun? Oh my goodness. Oh, I loved it. We just made it downstairs, riding the Alpine Coaster, and I had a blast. We'll show you the POV. It was awesome. You could see the town, you could see the snow on the mountains. It was a lot of fun. I had a great time. Let's see what else everybody else thought.
I liked it. I'm doing like big drops. I don't like big drops, but it was good. And yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did it go fast enough for you? Awesome. She is a thrill seeker and she wanted to go fast, so I think that was fulfilled. Now Holden, he doesn't really ride roller coasters or thrill rides, but he went ahead and did it. What'd you think?
It was really fun, really fast. It felt like you were almost gonna like fly off the cliff there at the end. It was kind of scary, but yeah, it went super fast, and then it was cool how you were able to control yourself, and it was just really cool and fun.
Nice. So you had a good time?
Yeah.
Now Haley is OG when it comes to roller coasters and thrill rides. What'd you think about this?
I had so much fun. It was great. I mean, of course, I'm a little bit of a thrill seeker. I do wish I could have just sped all the way down that hill, but you know, it is what it is. But I had a blast, and I totally recommend coming here and doing it. It's good. It's good for any season, really. So. Yeah,
and Everly rode with Haley, and you guys had a blast, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It was awesome.
What'd you think?
I thought it was super fun. It was way better than I expected, honestly. I kind of thought it would be slow and lame, but you actually can go really fast. I tried doing it without brakes the whole time, but I was worried my car was gonna yeet right off the mountainside. So I did end up using the brakes a bit, but it was so fun. I had a great time.
Awesome.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. The whole family had a great time. Like I said, I gave you the prices earlier. It's about 20 bucks a head. Everly's only 6, so it was 5. So it's not too bad. Definitely, I would recommend it. I would do it again. It'd be kind of fun to do it in the summertime. But we really enjoyed it. So if you're out in Leavenworth, not only is it a beautiful location with a lot to see, it's definitely a fun thing to do. If you like this type of content, give us a big thumbs up. That definitely helps the channel. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please do, and make sure you smash that bell so you can check out all our videos. And we hope you join us on our next adventure. Thanks for watching.